to install SSL certificate to our website, which is a layer, a lock. Right now it's not secure. We'll be using a free SSL certificate by Let's Encrypt. For this, you have to go to your dashboard, add a plugin. There would be multiple SSL plugins. We'll use one. Here we'll use WP encryption. You have to install and activate. You have to choose this free plan. Every 90 days you have to do a click and it'll again be renewed. You have to enter the email address. I'll just enter the email address here. Generate SSL certificate. Now this is giving you one tutorial as well, that how you have to proceed with the same. It's saying you to download these two files. Click on download. So I've downloaded these two files. Now it is saying me to go to my, you can also see the video tutorial here how to do it. You have to go to your cPanel and then you have to create a folder .well-known, and then we have to create a folder again, Acme Challenge. Let's do this. So once I've downloaded these files, go to cPanel. I have to go to public HTML, create a folder here. In this folder, I have to create another folder, Acme-Challenge. And now here I have to upload these files. I'll open, upload, select. I'll select these two files. I can maybe drag and drop as well. So if you see this 100%, it's done. Go back. So I've uploaded these two files. Now, if to check that I've uploaded it correctly or not, what I have to do is, again, go back to my plugin and verify here. Click on verification file. This is done. And this is done. So we are correctly done with step 1. And then you click on verify. It will show you verified. Next step, you might not have to do it. We just have to do one. We are done with HTTP challenges and we have uploaded both the files. So we are done with here. Now, if you see the next step, which is saying that go to your cPanel and copy paste these files. Let's go to our cPanel. SSL, TSL, install and manage SSL, select a domain, our domain name. Now we have to copy paste the files which have been generated. First is this, I've copied certificate.crt. I'll paste it here. I can even autofill, but let's copy paste it for a better understanding. Then you have to copy paste this private file. Go to your cPanel, see this private key, copy paste here. Go back to cPanel, copy, and paste. So I've pasted all the 3 files and I have to click on install certificate. So successfully it has been done, and click on OK. So if you see, you can see the logs here. Now you have to wait for a minute or 2, and then you have to click on enable HTTPS now, and you'll see a layer, secured layer out here. Let's check. If you see, please wait here for a few minutes and then click on Enable HTTPS now. So if you see this, we are done with the secured socket layer. SSL certificate has been installed, and we are done with HTTPS. Now you can close all the files.